Will moving from one state to the other with the Medicare supplement plan give you guaranteed issue rights? That's what I want to talk about in today's video. Glad you're here. My name is Jamie from meetjamie.com. I'm an independent insurance broker helping people understand the Medicare program and secure the coverage that fits their needs. Here's a beautiful picture from a recent trip to Florida. So a lot of people have been wondering about moving with a Medicare supplement plan. And so I think there's a little bit of confusion about what's called guaranteed issue rights when it comes to Medicare supplement plans. And that is because if you have a Medicare Advantage plan and move out of state, you do usually trigger guaranteed issue rights for certain Medicare supplement plans. However, if you currently have a Medicare supplement plan and move out of state, usually you do not get guaranteed issue rights. So I'll pull this up here. I'm over on the Medicare website. Just to draw your attention to this, I will put a link in the description of this video to this particular page if you want to do your own research. It's entitled Switching Medigap Policies. And so there's a variety of reasons here that people may have about switching plans. It's important to know that if you have a Medicare supplement plan, you can certainly shop and compare the rate on that plan and even apply for a different Medicare supplement plan. But if you're outside your open enrollment to Medicare, then you're most likely going to have to go through medical underwriting. And so that new company might deny you for coverage. So that's one of the great things about a Medicare supplement plan is if you lock it in right away at 65 when you first join Medicare, as long as you pay the premium for that plan, it's guaranteed renewable every month. So I'm just going to, for the sake of time in this video, jump down to this particular question. I'm moving out of state. So let's just see what Medicare has to say. You can keep your you can keep your current Medigap policy no matter where you live as long as you still have original Medicare. If you want to switch to a different Medigap policy, you'll have to check with your current or new insurance company to see if they'll offer you a different policy. And then it says here, if you decide to switch, you may have to pay more for your new Medigap policy. You may also have to answer some medical questions if you are buying a Medigap policy, and here it is, outside of your Medigap open enrollment period. So just as way of reminder, there's two different initial open enrollment periods for each person. So the Medigap open enrollment period for most people starts the month of their 65th birthday and goes out 5 months after that. So that's considered your Medigap open enrollment period. If you're outside of that and you want to apply for a different Medigap policy, most likely you're going to have to go through medical underwriting. And if you're healthy, that may not be a very big deal at all. I've helped people switch from one Medigap company or plan to a different Medigap company or plan and save quite a bit of money. They went through underwriting. It wasn't a big deal. So that's just a quick synopsis of switching from one state to another if you have a Medigap policy. Someone drew my attention to this in a previous video, and so I'll just highlight it as well. There are a few states, 4 to be exact, that have what's called guaranteed issue protection for Medigap either continuously or annually. And those 4 states are Connecticut, Massachusetts, and New York, as well as Maryland, or excuse me, Maine. So Connecticut, Massachusetts, New York, and Maine. And so there's some details here about that, but the purpose of this video again is just to talk about moving from one state to the other and if it triggers guaranteed issue rights. So if you have any questions about that, feel free to leave me a comment below. You can also reach out to me at the toll-free number or my website, which I'll also put in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.